액션 let's go 트러블을 찾으러
Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. Here we will explain about narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a text that tells a series of events sequentially and connects to each other. This type of text has an imaginative nature of imaginary story that aims to entertain the readers. Narrative texts have several types, namely legend, fairy tale, fantasy, and fable. Here we will discuss legendary narrative texts, for example the legend of Tangkuban Perahu or Sangkuriang. Below are several questions regarding narrative texts.
First question. What are the three main parts of the generic structure in a narrative text? The generic structure in a narrative text orientation is paragraph 1 and 2. Complication is in paragraph 3 and 4. Resolution is in paragraph 5 and 6. Second question. In a narrative text, what is the purpose of the orientation section? Orientation, namely the part that contains the introduction of the characters, setting, and various initial components of the story. In the Sangkuriang story, it is found in paragraph 1, which explains the introduction of the characters, setting, and the beginning of the story.
That question, can you explain what typically happens in the complication part of a narrative? The problem section, the conflict, the across in the story. The complication contain the peak of the problems experienced by the character in Sangkuriang story. It is found in paragraph 3, namely Sangkuriang kills Tumang, and paragraph 4 the problem begin when Sangkuriang likes Dayang Sumbi. Fourth question. What is the function of the resolution? In a narrative text, resolution is the final part of a narrative text. That resolution becomes part of the story and can lead to a happy ending of destruction. The part of Sangkuriang story is in the final paragraph.
Give an example of a narrative text and identify orientation, complication, and resolution. Orientation is in paragraph 1 and 2. Complication is in paragraph 3 and 4. Resolution is in paragraph 5 and 6. Sixth question. How does the orientation of a narrative text differ from the resolution? Orientation is the part that contains the introduction of the character and the background or setting the story, while the resolution is the part that contains the solution to the conflict, which contains the author's way of ending the story.
Seventh question. Why is it important for a narrative text to have a clear structure and flow? In order for a series of events to create imaginative stories, it certainly requires a systematic structure that is easy to understand and enjoyable. Question 8. In narrative text, what role do complications play in moving the story forward? The complication section of the conflict that culminates in the story can advance the storyline because with this conflict we are looking for a solution to solve the problem and will determine the ending of a story. Like Sangkuriang story, the peak of the conflict is in paragraph 4.
Ninth question. Can you provide a brief summary of the typical sequence of events in a narrative text? The core story of the legend of Tangkuban Perahu is a young man named Sangkuriang who wants to marry a beautiful woman named Dayang Sumbi. They fell in love, however, after finding a scar on Sangkuriang's head. Dayang Sumbi knew that Sangkuriang was her son. Sangkuriang went first because he was annoyed with his mother's anger. Dayang Sumbi was angry because Sangkuriang killed his beloved Tog Tumang when he failed to become a deer hunter for his mother.
Last question. How does the generic structure of a narrative text help readers engage with the story? Every text, especially narrative text, must have an opening section that helps readers understand the content of the text, like orientation section. This section important an imaginary story because it is part of introducing the character, setting the place, time, and atmosphere. With orientation, readers can better understand the character and storyline of the narrative text. In complication section. In this section, the reader will be taken to a deeper conflict. Complication content and affect relationship that give rise to problems until the problem reaches in the peak. The last part of the narrative text structure is the ending or resolution. Resolution. This section is the end of the conflict problems that arise in the orientation and complication section. Usually the resolution section contains the resolution of the problem and the emergence of the character awareness. Readers can also learn lessons from narrative text. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry if there are any mistakes. See you again.
Ready for action, let's go. trouble 물을 찾으러